I'm glad there is someone who wants to learn about copiers. Are you someone looking to get your first role in repairing photocopiers? If yes, this channel is perfect for you. I prepare training videos for you every day. I am an engineer with 20 years of photocopier experience. With this channel you will reach its thousands hours of video training and maintenance challenges. That's not all of it, you will also get part numbers of the spare parts and lifetime consumables parts. After watching my videos, you will be able to create your own business, find a great job, repair copiers and printers. Thank you for subscribing. So, what are you waiting for? New movies are waiting. Go to watching. Channel support soon. Unique videos for channel supporters.